No, Cole. No. Cole, no. No. Leave the bird alone. Oh, these stupid bluebirds were out here tearing this bird up. Good girl, Cole. I made her drop it. Oh, poor bird. No, Cole. No. No, girl. Oh, they were like all screaming. The birds were. Cole, I need my gloves. Come on, Cole. Come here. Come here. No, Cole. No! Let me see if I can get the bird. No, girl. No, Cole. No, Cole. No. Poor bird. Can you go? Oh. There's just all sorts of hurt, huh? Birds are up there. They're being jerks. Ah. There you go, you can kind of hide. Just been looking at me. You almost got eaten by the dogs. Love, you watched the whole thing, huh? Yeah. We got the bird. You're happy we got the bird? Yeah, you happy? Okay. Hi, birdie. That's a good hiding spot. Oh, they're up there waiting on you. You're a jerkhole. Get out of here.
Hi, Mr. Jerkhole.
After this, we ran in the house and found some bird seed.